All right. So I got another video coming to y'all, and it's just something, again, as we build on this car. What we got here is the rear spoiler. And this is my daughter, she's holding it. And I want you just to see what it came with. This is what the car came with. We had this on the car from the factory, but it was a spoiler, but it wasn't. And so I went ahead and took the time to see what I wanted, and this is what I ended up changing it to. And I think this is a significantly different spoiler. This is a Drake Wicker Bill, and I bought this because I wanted this car to have something more. I thought this car deserved to have a spoiler that was way bigger, way more in design for it. I think it actually makes and fits the body lines of this car a lot better. In choosing a spoiler, there was a lot to choose from. You know, I could go on many of the other sites and figure out which ones that I wanted, but this was the one that I thought fit this car the most. It was pretty easy to install. Basically, I needed some string, basically, or yarn. I got that from my wife. Don't tell her I took her blow dryer, because you have to heat up the glue that's on the bottom of the old wing that comes in. If not, I might show that to you. It might still be on. If you're looking for an actual install video, I'm gonna tell you now, I can't beat some of the videos that are on there, but what I can do is give you an honest opinion of what it's like. So I take this spoiler that was here, I started my string on the edge that comes in, and basically what all you have to do with that is take the string, go ahead and try to whittle it down so that you can help cut this glue using a little bit of heat, and then as you go, you'll find your way to work it off, and this spoiler will pop up. This spoiler here, the Wicker Bill, Drake Wicker Bill, it used all of the original holes, and it came with its own double-sided tape that you were able to peel off, push it down, and come on. Now, some of you might have noticed that my glass, if you see the ones online, obviously I tinted it blue with vinyl. This is something my wife was able to do for me, because I'm very lucky and I got a special wife that does these projects for me. When she thinks that she's getting something for herself, I actually find a way that she can work it in for me. Thanks to me. Thanks. But this basically is a Cricut. It's a Cricut machine, right? Cricut, yeah. Cricut machine. She was able, so you can write these letters for me and put them in whatever I want, pretty much, that I can fit into the space. So I can peel these off, I can change this as I want. I don't have to go to the store and buy them. She makes them for me at home, and I appreciate having that, and I'm glad that she sticks and works on my projects. But basically, quick video, nothing special. Again, like I said, this ain't a fancy little channel. This ain't a organized sponsored channel. This is just a real person really building a car who I never thought I'd build, dealing with Mustangs, as I was really, like I said, anything but Mustang. But this definitely is stuff that I have seen, giving this car a chance, looking at it through my vision of what I would want on one. So like I said, follow this project, stick with us. Make sure you keep coming back. If there's something you think we can change, something you think we can do, make sure you put it in the comments. We're looking forward to anything. We'll take any kind of criticism. We don't care. And what you got to say, Lon?
Like and subscribe.
All right, thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.